myself. Yeah, just give it a good rub in and just leave it for a couple of hours, and then you can wash it out when you're finished. But for me, I never wash it out. I just leave it in and then just go about my day. I don't like really oil it. I just get it on my fingers and just rub it in. So you can see here it's not much oil into it, and I'm going to be topping it off with my favorite oil. You can go ahead and use a jojoba oil. You can use any fractionated oil that you have on hand, like coconut oil or this one is topping it off with jojoba oil, which I'm using right now. And like I said, guys, there's so much other oils are out there. Fractionated oil, you can go ahead and then just top it off with it. One day I will tell you some of the best oils to use. So when you're done, you just give it a good shake, guys. And thanks so much for watching. Appreciate you always coming back to see what I'm doing. Enjoy the rest of